About a whistling tea kettle. How many of you, like me, or maybe it's only me, that boils water in the microwave? We're going to give you an opportunity to get a good old-fashioned tea kettle that will whistle for you. And it is done in Doodle, the newest pattern launch. 5 easy pays at $6.60, and it's easy. A beautiful shade of red or your black, so you'll tell us what you want. Tara, when you set out to make a tea kettle, what were your wants?
Yeah, well, so a couple of things. A nice oversized handle, that whistling feature, and then I also did want to just show you, if we could go back, I did want to show you the pattern of Doodle. Since it is so brand new, I wanted to brag on it a little bit.
Oh, please.
So what I love about it is you have that beautiful, what I love to call the cobblestone walkway, that kind of frames the beautiful center of the rooster. And then you have like that beautiful kind of swirl detail that runs around the edges. So this is meant to be art. It is meant to be left on your stovetop. And of course, tie back to that kind of farmhouse chic and also kind of that true farmhouse feel. You hear that tea kettle boiling in the back. Let it actually grab it. We have the towel and mitt set that coordinate. There's your cute little rooster. That's all silicone. I can actually take that tea kettle and put it, that boiling tea kettle, and put it right there on that mitt. So it gets super hot. You know, of course, that your water's boiling. And here's the other thing. There's a trigger. That trigger actually is not one of those where you have to keep opening it. It actually opens. When you want to close it, you push the button down. So these were the details, of course, that adorable silhouette of it, the oversized handle, the finial that coordinates back. But once you push that button, it's in. You then pour and then release. A lot of times you're kind of playing with boiling water and trying to keep everything open at the same time. So cute.
And so functional. And you know, something really pretty to go ahead and use when you're making that wonderful hot chocolate that we're all going to need, because we're expecting that big snowstorm, which a lot of you have already had. How fun. You know it was special when your mom or your grandmom or a favorite aunt or someone you loved made hot chocolate. I'm going to sit here and let it whistle because I love the fact that it whistles. I mean, you don't even find them that way anymore, that they whistle.
I know.
Right?
It's an added feature for sure. And the rooster, it means prosperity. It means good luck. Everybody should have a rooster in their kitchen. That was the whole inspiration behind Doodle Do. We debuted it in our soup mugs. They completely sold out. So if you picked up the soup mugs, how brilliant to now have this teapot that matches back to it. Again, over 2-quart capacity, so it's a nice, generous oversize. And as Pat mentioned, it's got the whistle on it. So it's beautiful and meant to be left out on your stovetop.
And so I don't make you all crazy or the dog or the cat crazy, I'll turn the stove down. But it's just, most of you are buying more than one because you have the same feeling like we do. Tara, where are you going to go and actually find this? You know, there's so much that we can do with it, with that. And how much does this hold?
Over 2 quarts. So 2.3 quarts in total capacity, red or black, as I mentioned. So everything in that farmhouse look, your grays, your taupes, you now have this little pop of either the great red, that classic red, or of course that beautiful black, and all of the same detailing that you love from your Doodle Do. It's just so, and if you're thinking about a gift, what a great gift to welcome prosperity and good luck into someone's kitchen by giving them a rooster.
Yeah, absolutely. All right, here's the update. Red and black, red, very, very limited. By the way, if you were wondering what Tara and I were using, we have the 2 tea towels and the 2 oven mitts coming up.